Hey guys, it's Gan and Mo and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing our financial tip and trick of the week, and it is overspending. People are sitting at home, they're bored, they're panic buying. They're buying toilet paper and they're running out. Does anybody even use that much toilet paper?
Sitting at home right now during the quarantine, you could find yourself overspending on things you do not need, unnecessary spending. For instance, all these online subscriptions for these television apps, Netflix, Hulu, HBO Now, HBO Go, TLC, these are completely unnecessary. I mean, you went this long with just one subscription, Netflix, and all of a sudden now you have 6 or 7 of them. And they add up, $4.99, $5.99 per subscription per month times 12, because you know when you go back to work, you're going to forget. And word of advice, you could just call your friends or family, and they probably have the subscription themselves. Just get their username and password, and that's what I do.
I was actually almost guilty of doing that myself. My gym closed down, and I'm like, oh my god, I cannot go without my gym. So I started researching everything online, trying to build a home gym out of nothing. And then I figured that's going to cost me about $2,000, $3,000. My gym membership a month is $20. So if we times it by 12, that's $240 a year. So now I'm going to be spending money that I'm not going to be recouping for another 10 years. That made no sense to me. So instead, I bought some simple bands for about $20, and that is enough to hold me off for right now.
Right. Especially with these online apps, Amazon, Etsy's, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom. Shopping is everybody's stress relief, right? That's what we do on the weekends. And now that you can't shop, you're going crazy at home. But the good thing is that you don't have to shop online. Chances are you have all the clothes that you need in the closet, and I'm going to assume that just like Mo's wife and my fiance, they don't even know half of the clothes they have in their closet. They just buy them. So right now, actually, you could go through your closet, do a little spring cleaning, and start selling things that you don't even need. Now you're not only spending, but you're actually earning money.
Another thing, you can actually repurpose old stuff that you have at home. My daughter needed an iPad so she can start doing some of her online homework, because she's being homeschooled right now because of everything going on. So instead, I found an old laptop and an old iPod that I have that I haven't touched in 2 years. I was able to download the new software on them, and guess what? They're repurposed, and now my daughter is using that, and I was able to save about $800 on a new laptop and iPad, and it still got the job done.
So instead of overspending and buying unnecessary things, go through your budget, see what you don't need anymore, and just mark out these things. Call the providers and cancel the subscriptions. Chances are you haven't even used them in over a year. And these are things you could start doing today during the quarantine. And we know things are tough, and we really want to help you guys get your budget under control. And that's a great time right now while you're at home to do that. So we hope you think this video is helpful. We really hope you guys implement this skill. It's a great skill to start using today, and it'll carry you over in the long run. So you guys know that drill. Gingerly tap that like button, press that subscribe button and the bell, and we'll see you next time.